Hey, what's up, Filecoin holder? This time, my brother, Filecoin in all month, my brother, you could see here, you could see the total average of change occur. You could say minus 9.96% loss now. So we talk about, my brother, to in the previous days what they do, and there is a chance to they will move in upward. Can Filecoin will be ready to they will give you a profit? Absolutely, the main question, my brother, of holder. I will, my friend, answering you. So kindly, you need to watch this video completely to understand better. Now, let's see, my brother. If we just only check out the last 7 days chart of Filecoin, so that's a very good now, 7.63% profit now. And my brother, first of all, we need to predicate this coin so we understand better to upcoming time can there is a chance so they will move in upward direction or not. First of all, Filecoin holder, please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. My brothers, the arrows is moving in upward direction in the last point, so that's clear, my brothers, to upcoming time there is 100% chance to Filecoin will give you a profit. And remember, my brothers, in the next month there is no chance to they will move in upward direction, because in the start of month every coin will fails down, so therefore Filecoin is also fails down. But in the mid of month there is 100% chance to they will move upward again now, and they will give you a profit. You can see from last 10 days of month, my brother, every coin will give you a profit now. So this time you can see the last 7 days also they will give you a profit. But my brothers, definitely in last, my friend, all month change occurring everything, my friends, you see already now 9.96% they are lost now. And you can see here, this is the point. Just in only, my friend, you can see here 20 days they will fails down, but in last 10 days they will move in upward direction. So I hope, my brother, in 24 hour or 48 hour there is a chance so they will recover this, my brother. But definitely it's a very bad now. So Filecoin holder, remember to subscribe this channel and don't forget to like video. Please, ABS channel will guide you, update you every day, every time. And my opinion is to please hold, don't share it, and wait for a good time. See you next time. What's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box.